Welcome to JCE Connect. It is a lab foundry and forging welding 18 MEL 38B experiment shear strength test. Outline of the presentation: it is aim, apparatus, procedure and result. Aim: to determine the shear strength of the given molding sand specimen. Apparatus, that is the same thing whatever we use in case of the compression strength, the same apparatus we are going to use, that is sand rammer, weight balance, distilled water, sand, and then we are going to have that is universal sand testing, universal strength testing machine. We have that is shear strength, that is universal strength machine. In that we are going to study the shear strength machine. I explained in the previous that is experiment all the parts of this universal strength machine: wheel, dial gauge, that is pressure gauge we are going to have, that is we have the ram, and here we are going to place the shear pads in this case of shear strength machine, which have a stepped one. They are not flat one, they have given some step to that pads in case of the shear strength machine. The procedure, it will be the procedure will be same as in case of this shear strength also, that is mix the required quantity of the clay and moisture to the sand in the first part here, and prepare a sand specimen with a given dimension in the sand rammer. The sand specimen can be prepared in the given dimension with the help of this sand rammer, that is 50 by 50. The specimen is held in the universal testing machine with the help of the shear testing, that is the shear pads. In between the shear pads we are going to place that is hold this specimen, and the lever is set on the lower strength testing side. Apply the pressure on the specimen by rotating the wheel. Gradually rotates the wheel till the specimen fails. Till the specimen fails, you have to rotate the wheel, and note down the reading on the dial gauge. Here we have to note down the reading gauge at the point of failure. When the fail of the specimen takes place, at that point you have to take the reading. This is same reading that same we are going to perform the experiment. Only the shear pads we are going to use in case of shear strength. Okay, and here we'll see that before that we'll set it to the 0, that black and red pointer to it. The black pointer, when you start rotating the wheel, the black pointer moves this red pointer. The red pointer comes to it will show the reading. You can see here, that is when you apply that is a force, then what here we can see this shear pads which have the stepped here we can see, and in case of this compression strength we have the flat pads we are going to use. You can see this how that that is due to applying the force, the breaking of this specimen will takes place, or shearing has taken place in case of this sand specimen, that is breaking the specimen takes place. And here you see that is the things, that is we have to check for the shear strength. S of S means shear strength. C of S, here this dial here the readings you can find out that here we have C of S, here we have S of S, and here you can clear T of S, that is tensile strength, kg per centimeter square. He has directly given, but here we will take in grams, and after that we will convert into kg per centimeter square. And here we can see this is in case of the shear strength, this that is a row, that is we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we are going to have, and here we have that is this is black pointer, and here this is 1, this is the 1 division equals to 2 units, 2, 4, 6, 8, and the pointer is on 8, and it is not actually on the 2. While taking the photo, it looks it is you are seeing that it is on 2, but it is on actually on the 4th point, means 1 unit equals to 2, that is 1 2 3 4, means 4 division equals to 8 units, that is 1.8 grams per centimeter square. Here you can have the result. The shear strength of the given specimen is 1.8 gram per centimeter square as shown in the tile here. That is the shear strength. You can convert it to the kg per centimeter square. Thank you all of you for watching.